Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online forms with Typeform, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, go to typeform.com and sign up. Once logged in, click on the Create Typeform button. Choose whether to start from scratch or use a template. If you choose a template, browse the options and select one that fits your needs. If starting from scratch, you'll see a blank canvas for your form. Begin by adding a title to your Typeform. Click on Add Your First Question to enter your first question text. Select the type of question you want from the options available. You can choose from multiple choice, short text, long text, rating, and more. After adding your first question, continue adding more by clicking plus Add Question. Customize each question's settings as needed. You can set question logic to direct respondents based on their answers. Explore options like adding images or videos to enhance your form. Once your questions are added, adjust the design using the Design tab. Choose a color scheme that matches your brand. Add images or logos to personalize your form. This helps you see how respondents will experience it. When everything looks good, click on the Share tab. Here, you'll find options to share your form via link, social media, or embed code. Copy the link provided to share your form instantly. If you choose to embed, follow the prompts to get the embed code. Before finalizing, review your settings under the Settings tab. Make sure the responses are collected as you prefer. You can also set up notifications to receive emails for new responses. Finally, once you're satisfied with your form, hit the Publish button. Your upgraded online form is now live and ready to collect responses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.